here's the unboxing for the Arteesol yoga mat, non-slip 6mm extra large exercise mat, anti-tear, eco-friendly with carry straps, premium for Pilates, fitness, women and men. 183 by 61 by 6mm. Well, I wonder what they sent me. Let's have a look at the pictures on Amazon. Vehicle wheel surface, just in case I need to drive my car over it. Oh, you can push your finger in. It is resistant to tears. TPE is the best. Well, I've absolutely no idea what TPE is, but I'm sure that I'll find out. Oh, look at this. It's TPE is better than NBR and is better than PVC. Here we have a picture of somebody, and hopefully by the time I've rolled this mat out, I too will be able to get into that pose. I really can't wait. Here we are. What else does it say? Durable, lightweight, 183 by suitable for all sorts of energetic activities. And let's have a look and see what else we could have bought. We could have got all of these other yoga mats. Arteesol. I don't know how you say Arteesol. I don't know why it's called Arteesol. Questions, answers. Are you pleased? I am really pleased. Can I do exercises such as mountain climbers without it tearing? The answer is you can probably do whatever you like as long as you're careful. Here are some pictures. Reviews, excellent, perfect, no stretch, non-slip, lovely mat. Excellent. So, £32. Let's see what I bought. Okay, so here is the yoga mat. Let us see how we can open the yoga mat. So it comes in its own really nice long box, specially selected by Amazon. I don't know how they've managed to get a box quite the right shape, but let's open it and see what happens. Here we go, open that. What does it show me? It doesn't show me anything. I think we have to go down the top and get the top open. Oh. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's get this box completely open so we can see what's going on. So not probably a good idea not to use a knife when opening these boxes. Right, let's have a look-see. So here we have the box slipped open. Now let's have a look and see what we have. So the box is open. Let's pull the lid open and let us. You need to slit open the other end. Let's open this end. Now we're cooking. Now we're cooking. We can open the entire box and we can see what they have sent me. Here it is. So we've got a nice cardboard box which will come in very useful for putting all of my other cardboard bits and pieces in. We've got some more splendid brown paper just to add to my brown paper collection, and inside I have got a purple mat. Let's have a look and see what it is. So here we have, it says thank you from Amazon.com. So Amazon say thank you for choosing the Arteesol product. Contact us if you need any assistance. Well, I'd quite like to know how to do those moves that person showed me in the picture. So here we have, there's the mat, and let's have a look in the end. It's supposed to be 6mm, and no way of really knowing, but let's have a look. Yeah, it looks soft. Doesn't look quite as soft and pliable as I inferred from the pictures, but nonetheless, here it is. It's soft, a bit bent on one end, but don't worry. TPE yoga mat, Yoga Meister in fact, and the dimensions are both in centimetres and inches. So there we have. Let's try carrying it with a strap. Yeah, that sort of works. I can see the strap falling apart, but it sort of works and sort of let you off. Maybe when it's out of the plastic it won't be quite so slippery. And there we are. So if I take it out of the plastic, it will unroll, and then we will have ourselves a nice purple yoga mat for people that want to do yoga on a mat. Unlike all the poor people who have to do yoga without a mat. So I shall feel superior to my yoga chums who I know are doing yoga without a mat, and I'm sure that as soon as I have got this on the floor, I shall be able to get myself into no end of compromising positions.